Joe and Fedro here with mobilehomeinvesting.net. Thanks so much for watching. In this quick video, I want to make a very quick sort of public service announcement. I get too many messages and emails from too many Americans that are living in mobile homes. They've bought a mobile home to live in it themselves, or they've sold a mobile home, and they never got the title transferred. They never got the ownership transferred into their name or out of their name to keep themselves protected. And there's a step-by-step technical process to transfer ownership across the country. Now, in some states, in most states, this is done by titles. In other states, it's done by a different process, a different procedure, a different set of paperwork. But this sometimes is not done by the buyer or seller because they're simply ignorant that this has to be done. They just weren't sure of it. They didn't know that they had to transfer title. Nobody told them that they had to. Or they think that it's a daunting task, or there's technical issues, or there's some legal reasons why the person can't put the title into their name or the ownership into their name. Or they think it's going to be too expensive. But whatever the reason, I get a lot of messages that this wasn't done immediately. So I want to make a video for you. This video is for mobile home owners, mobile home buyers inside of parks who want to stay safe and maybe want to go like the extra mile. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. And this is for end users. This is not so much for investors, because this is just the technical from the buyer to the seller. And while we as mobile home investors are both the buyer and the seller sometimes, it is good to know this, and you should check out this webpage. However, we're not talking about any sort of seller financing, truth in lending docs, any of these forms that you see right here on this webpage. And the webpage is above me. It has been this entire time, and the procedures vary from state to state. Please go to this site and then click on your state. You'll see how to transfer ownership in your state. This is going to be kept current, up to date. I call around to all 50 states manufactured housing departments, ask them a number of questions. If you see any information that is not accurate or questionable, or you think is incorrect, or you can see an improvement, please go ahead and either comment below on the page or email me directly at support@mobilehomeinvesting.net. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you're an end user who's going to be either buying a personal mobile home or selling a personal mobile home, it's important to know more. It's important to have more clarity than less clarity. Just because you are ignorant of something and you haven't learned it yet doesn't excuse you from having to follow the law, having to do things the right way, because you could be burnt. That absolutely happens. And that's sort of why I want to make this video, because I get a lot of emails, messages, comments from people that are good people. They just didn't know that they had to transfer ownership, whether they're the buyer and they're getting screwed at the moment, or they're the seller and they're getting screwed at the moment. So go ahead and check out that webpage above. And if you have any follow-up questions or concerns, let me know. Again, support@mobilehomeinvesting.net. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.